In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Binance chart settings, open the Binance app on your mobile device, and make sure you're logged in. From the home screen, look to the bottom of the app and tap on Markets. This is where you can browse and track different trading pairs. Use the search bar at the top to find the coin pair you want to analyze, then tap the result to open its chart. This gets you into the chart view where all the customization options will take effect. On the chart screen, look for the More option. Depending on your app version, it might appear as a button labeled More or as an icon with 3 dots. Tap it to open the chart settings panel. Here's where you'll make the key adjustments. First, choose your preferred currency. This sets how values and conversions are displayed, helping you view prices in a format that's familiar and easy to compare. Next, adjust the chart time zone. This ensures that candle open and close times align with your local time or with the market session you prefer. If you monitor multiple exchanges or work with a team in a different region, aligning time zones can prevent confusion. You can also enable multiple percentage changes. Turning this on lets you see percent change over several time intervals at a glance, like 24-hour or weekly changes. It's a quick way to gauge short-term momentum versus longer trends without switching screens. Select your chart mode to fit your analysis style. Candlestick mode is popular for detailed price action, while line mode simplifies the view to closing prices. Choose what helps you read the market fastest. Then set your color preference. Pick colors that make rising and falling moves stand out clearly. Consistency here reduces misreads, especially on smaller screens or in bright light. Under appearance, choose a theme and visual density that feels comfortable. A clean, minimal layout often makes signals easier to spot. You can also change the chart height. Increasing the height gives more space to price action and indicators, which is useful when you're zooming in on patterns. If your screen feels cramped, a taller chart can bring out finer details. Lastly, you can enable the new display. This typically turns on an updated layout or enhanced visuals for the chart. If you prefer the latest interface improvements and smoother performance, switch it on. You can always revert if you don't like it. That's it. With these settings dialed in, your Binance charts will be clearer, more consistent, and tailored to how you trade.